All right, guys, we have a massive problem here at work. Our drain is thicker than our tile, so now we have to figure out how to fix this lip. Let me show you how to do it. All right, so there's two ways of fixing this. One, you either set your drain lower or you bring this tile higher. So in retrospect, when we did this mud job, thinking back to it, I should have made this a little bit lower and built this up. But we didn't do that. We kind of made a mistake. So instead, we're going to have to set this tile much higher. And we can't just use a 1/2-inch trowel and temp it down. It's going to be a mess. So what we're going to do is first, we're going to float this pan 1/4 of an inch to basically build it up and then let it dry. And then we're going to set our tile on top of that. And in order to do that quickly and to do it all today, what we have to do is use Rapid Set Thinset that I got here at Lowe's. And basically we're just going to trowel it out without collapsing any ridges, let it dry, and then come back and fill everything in. Let me show you. All right, so now we're going to wait about 15 to 20 minutes for this to set. We're going to mix another batch of it and then fill this in and make it nice and smooth. All right, so it's been about half an hour and you see that our thinset is nice and dry. And also you see that the elevation right here works out perfectly. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab more fast setting thinset and then just basically pour it down and make it all nice and smooth and clean and make sure that there's no bumps or anything. But before you do that, just go through the pan itself and make sure that there's no boogers sticking up, because it's going to cause slippage on your tile. All right, guys, now that we did that, you see once we put our tile up, it's right at that level. So once we put some thinset underneath here, it's going to be perfect. So next thing that we have to do here is template this floor and get our tile all cut out and installed. But that is time for another video. So make sure that you subscribe and follow and check that video out.